Are you looking for new business ideas to start in 2023? Look no further because in this video, we'll be discussing 10 profitable business ideas that have the potential to generate substantial profits in the coming years. First on our list is an e-commerce business. With more and more people turning to online shopping, starting an e-commerce business can be a lucrative venture. This business idea involves selling products or services online through a website or social media platforms. By understanding the target market and providing a user-friendly website with a reliable shipping and delivery system, you can build a successful e-commerce business. Secondly, an online tutoring business is a great way to capitalize on the growing demand for online education. Offering academic assistance to students in various subjects such as mathematics, science, language, or music, can be a profitable venture. To succeed in this business, you need to have excellent teaching skills, create an engaging and interactive learning environment, and have a strong online presence. Thirdly, a health and wellness business is becoming increasingly popular as people prioritize their health and well-being. Offering products or services that promote health and wellness, such as nutrition coaching, fitness training, or natural supplements, can be a great way to cater to this market. To succeed in this business, you need to have a good understanding of the target market, create a unique and appealing brand, and offer high-quality products or services. Fourthly, with the increasing demand for food delivery services, starting a food delivery business can be a profitable venture in 2023. This business involves delivering food from local restaurants or preparing and delivering meals to customers. By having a good understanding of the local food scene, partnering with popular restaurants, and providing timely and reliable delivery services, you can build a successful food delivery business. Fifthly, as more businesses move their operations online, digital marketing has become essential. Starting a digital marketing agency can be a lucrative business idea in 2023. This business involves providing digital marketing services such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, or email marketing to businesses. By having a good understanding of digital marketing trends, offering personalized and effective marketing solutions, and having a team of skilled professionals, you can build a successful digital marketing agency. Sixthly, with the growing concern over climate change, renewable energy is becoming more popular. Starting a renewable energy business can be a great way to capitalize on this trend. This business idea involves offering products or services that promote renewable energy sources, such as solar panels, wind turbines, or energy-efficient appliances. By having a good understanding of renewable energy technologies, creating a strong network of suppliers, and offering competitive pricing, you can build a successful renewable energy business. Seventhly, with the rise of virtual events, starting a virtual event planning business can be a profitable venture in 2023. This business idea involves planning and organizing virtual events such as webinars, conferences, or online workshops. By having excellent organizational skills, a good understanding of virtual event platforms, and offering personalized and engaging event experiences, you can build a successful virtual event planning business. Eighthly, as people become busier, home cleaning services are becoming more in demand. Starting a home cleaning business can be a profitable venture in 2023. This business idea involves providing home cleaning services such as vacuuming, dusting, and bathroom cleaning. By having a reliable and trustworthy team of cleaners, offering flexible scheduling, and providing high-quality cleaning services, you can build a successful home cleaning business. Lastly, starting a mobile app development business can be a profitable venture in 2023. With the increasing use of smartphones, mobile app development has become a vital aspect of many businesses. This business involves creating custom mobile applications for businesses or individuals. By having a team of skilled app developers, offering competitive pricing, and providing excellent customer service, you can build a successful mobile app development business. In conclusion, these 10 profitable business ideas have the potential to generate substantial profits in 2023. However, it is important to conduct thorough research, understand the target market, and create a unique and innovative product or service to succeed in any business venture. With hard work, determination, and a willingness to adapt to changing market trends, anyone can start and run a successful business in 2023.